So one of the questions we get all the time from new users is, hey, I need a button or I need some way to send out this report to my owner at the end of the day. And it's a lot of times a fundamental shift that, hey, you actually don't have to do that because I can look at this from my phone, right? Your owner can look at everything on their phone and see their reports live. There's no traditional end of day close process. Are you guys seeing a trend with that in the industry?
Absolutely. And what I see our shop owners really value is the fact that they can log on from wherever they're at. They can work on their business instead of in their business and see what's happening day to day. So they can run their shop from anywhere using the Tekmetric platform.
So when shops sign up for Tekmetric, oftentimes they're very gung-ho, they're excited, they're ready to hit the ground running, right? And we obviously want that too. We want shops to get live and start using Tekmetric because we often see that they have very huge increased results in their sales and everything. However, a very key part of that to make sure that they're successful long term is to get everything set up. Really go through all of the settings, take the time and detail to go through with a fine-tooth comb and get everything set up because it all leads back to accounting, right? So what are some things that shops can do as they're getting their shops set up, connecting it to their accounting systems? What are some of your suggestions?
I think one of the keys is get your accountant involved from the get-go. On your first setup, onboarding call, get them involved. Make sure that what you're setting up in Tekmetric matches how you want that to flow into the GL on your QuickBooks Online platform. So that way you can utilize the back office automation.
What are some things you see, even, I know we get questions on parts orders a lot of times and shops don't understand why in their old system they didn't have to put in orders and it seems like there's some extra steps in Tekmetric that they're having to do. And then how can we help educate them that those steps are actually really important to make their lives easier?
Absolutely. One of the keys to getting good analytics from your shop, from the Tekmetric system, is to make sure you have good, clean, thorough information. And to do that, you need to have all your parts, materials, oils, fluids, minor accessories attached to every invoice. So that way, when you close a ticket, not only are you getting your revenue information, but then you're getting your actual cost information. And it works the same way on the labor side as well. You need your technicians to be clocking their hours within the Tekmetric system and booking their book hours on the tickets each time.
For more information or getting a demo, reach out to our sales team. If you're an existing customer and need support, then go ahead and reach out to our support team anytime.
If you need tax, accounting, or business advisory help, feel free to reach out to us at Kaizen CPAs and Advisors.